Hi everyone, welcome to SEOSpace Local. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete tutorial of how to use our local SEO tools so you can boost your local visibility to get more calls, leads, and sales from people locally looking for your product or service. I'm going to first walk you through how to connect SEOSpace, and then I'm going to show you how to use the range of tools that we have available, as well as also tease features that we have coming soon that may be live by the time you watch this video. Now, to begin with, you need to connect SEOSpace to your Google Business profile. If you haven't yet got a Google Business profile, click here and you'll be able to read a guide that will walk you through how to do this. The first thing that you need to do is head over and connect to your Google profile that has access, admin access, to the Google Business profile that you want to work on. If you've got multiple Google Business profiles, like you can see here, this is where you'll have to select the Google Business profile that you want to connect. SEOSpace does actually allow you to connect multiple business profiles, but as you'll see in the step after, you have to do this one at a time because of the information we'll need from you. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to select a client of mine, Honey Store It. They're a self-storage business in Yonkers, just north of New York. So I'm going to click select this profile, and then you're then going to be prompted in order to set up local rank tracking. So essentially what local rank tracking does, we're going to scan every week or month to show you how visible you are in your local area. You'll be able to select the radius that will track your visibility across. So here I'm going to select 10 kilometers. And as you can see here, we're going to check your visibility within this radius away from the business that you've just selected. Don't worry at all, as you will be able to change this later, and you'll also be able to do this for any Google business later using our local rank tracker. You'll then be prompted to enter up to 5 keywords. Keywords are just the search terms that your target customers are searching for. So in self-storage, it would be self-storage, self-storage near me, self-storage Yonkers, which is the location this business is. However, for you, depending upon what product or service you offer, it will typically be the product or service that you offer, followed by the location or near me. Think restaurant near me, bar near me, therapist near me, therapist New York, therapist Yonkers. And again, as I've said, you'll be able to change this later. I'm just going to type in self-storage and then press comma in order to add that keyword. And then from there, I'm going to press continue, and I'm going to set up weekly monitoring because I want weekly updates on how this profile is doing. Now, as SEOSpace Local is auditing this Google Business profile and tracking the rankings, I'm going to walk you through the other features that we have available on a high level. First, we have local SEO tasks. These are prioritized, personalized local SEO tasks that are going to help you boost your visibility of the profile that you've just connected. We've then got Listing Manager. This is where you can edit and make changes to your Google Business profile directly from SEOSpace. You then have Google Reviews. This is where you can manage, collect more, and reply to Google Reviews directly from SEOSpace. You're also going to, in the future, and maybe by the time you watch this video, have the ability to actually embed your Google Reviews as a widget or a little badge onto your website in order to highlight all the reviews that you have. Again, directly from SEOSpace. Then you've got business posts. This is where you can schedule Google My Business posts to your business profile. You can post them now or in the future, and we'll also have the ability to create images with AI, as well as also make it easier to add offers. And then finally, we have local rank tracking, where you can add any Google Business profile and track its rankings, as well as also spy on competitors directly from here. Just bringing you back to the dashboard, as you can see here, we've got an overview of this Google Business profile's performance in the past 30 days, showing us how many calls, direction requests, clicks that this profile has received directly from its Google Business profile. So this is clicks through to the website, as well as the average review rating on this profile. When we scroll down, we're also then going to see the map that we saw earlier, which is essentially showing us how this Google Business profile ranks on Google Maps and on Google Search. So when someone searches self-storage at this location, you'll see that this profile shows up first. If they show up on this location, they're not showing up in the top 20 at all. And if they search at this location, they're showing up 18th. So what SEOSpace Local actually does, it creates a virtual person that goes out to these pinpoints, to track where that business shows up on Google Maps and Google Search, to return a number to show you where it shows up. We'll also analyze the competitors, and we'll personalize these local SEO tasks in order to boost your visibility on the map that you've just seen. So these are actually personalized based upon your competition, your Google business profile, and what we found works by working on over 30,000 Squarespace websites. Whenever you click on a local SEO task, you're going to get a description, instructions of how to fix that SEO tasks, as well as a short tutorial on many of the tasks. Some of the tasks are automated, so you'll only see them if you need to actually do the task. However, some of the tasks you'll need to manually mark as done. So for example here, this is telling you to embed a Google map onto your website. If you don't know how to do that, you follow this instruction or watch this video. And then once you've done it, because this is something that we can't automatically detect, you just need to press mark as done, and that task will automatically be marked as done on your website so that we know you're doing the things to boost your visibility. Then walking over to Listing Manager. So as I mentioned before, this is where you can actually edit information on your Google business profile, such as edit the URL that your business profile goes to, and also edit the description, and we'll also give you some help so you can follow best practices. Once you've made any changes, press save, and then you'll likely have to wait a few days so that Google actually approves and makes the change on your Google business profile. So Google will actually review the changes that you make before they go live. Then we have your Google reviews. This is where you can see all of the Google reviews you have on your profile. We'll also provide you guidance to collect more reviews. You'll be able to reply to them here, as well as track over time how many reviews you have and the percentage that you've answered. Then walking over to business posts, I usually recommend that you schedule at least one post a week to your Google business profile to show Google that you're active, you're sharing information, updates, and offers to potential customers to ultimately boost your visibility. Finally, just heading over to Local Ranking Tracker. This is where you can add any business in order to track the visibility. Now, in order to track a business profile, you first need to add the exact Google business profile name into this box. So I'm going to take a client of mine, a dentist that's based in Boynton Beach, Florida. From there, you need to select the radius, and don't worry, you can view previous searches that you've done by clicking this button. And I'm then going to add keywords. Now, every keyword that you add is a new search, and on our basic plan, you have up to 50 searches per month. So because these guys are a dentist, I'm just going to add dentist near me in order to track the rankings and gain insights for people that rank dentist near me in the Boynton Beach area. Make sure that you press comma or enter in order to make sure the keyword gets picked up. And there we're going to click search keywords. And as I've already mentioned, SEOSpace Local will send out a virtual agent, a virtual person, in order to see where this business ranks within that radius, as well as also get information on the competitors. As you can see, once the report is done, you're going to be able to see this map where it shows your visibility within the radius that you've selected, your average map rank, so the average rank that you are within this radius, your visibility score. This is the percentage of the time that you show up in the top 3 on Google Maps. The reason that this is so important is whenever you search a local keyword, so if I look for a dentist in my local area, whenever you search a local keyword, you're going to see typically 3 businesses that show up. So these local SEO tasks are focused on getting you into the top 3, which is why this visibility score is so important. And then here you've got an overview of the different positions that you rank across all of these points. Scrolling down, you're then going to be able to see your overall top ranking competitors. This shows their business name, and by the time you watch this video, there'll be a little button here so you can jump directly to their business profile so you can analyze them further. The total number of reviews that they have and their average rating, their visibility score, their average ranking position on the map, as well as also their primary and secondary business categories on their Google business profile. Now, of course, if you're unsure of anything that you've gone through, I really do recommend that you head over to Local SEO Tasks, because there you're going to find step-by-step guides of how to optimize your Google business profile. We're going to be adding a ton of new features to this over the coming months, including the Google review widget that I've mentioned. We're also going to add automatic citation builder, and we'll be improving this feature over time. So if you've got any questions or things look a little bit different to what you've seen in this video, just head over to our support in the bottom right hand corner of the SEO Space dashboard and we'll be more than happy to help. Hopefully you found this video helpful and I'll see you in the next video.